Maximus Resources, we're an ASX listed gold and nickel producer with an ASX ticker code MXR. This picture is of the Wattle Dam gold mine, produced just over 8 tonnes of fine gold. We love this picture because it just shows the opportunity for another discovery of a highly profitable gold mine. So we're located in world-class gold and nickel location, Western Australia's premier gold and nickel district, Australia's gold and nickel capital. We've got 108 square kilometres of granted mining licences and gold rights, which hosted the very high-grade historical Wattle Dam gold mine. We've got a fantastic resource base to build off of 112,000 ounces and located within 50 kilometres of 7 gold processing plants, which allows for a low-cost start-up operations. And also dual focus with nickel and located 25 kilometres from BHP's Kambolda nickel concentrator. We're a newly formed management team, and I'm supported by Dr. Travis Murphy, PhD structural geologist. Very quickly, this is another picture of our Wattle Dam gold mine and our newly interpreted mineral corridors. So there's 2 mineral corridors, Redback and S5 and Golden Orb. The Wattle Dam gold mine, as mentioned, super high grade, one of Australia's high grade gold mines, was mined by Maximus Resources until 2012, produced 270,000 ounces at 10.5 grams per tonne. And the assets were transferred to Maximus in 2015. Significant amount of mineralisation left in the high grade, next to the high grade chute, and work's underway to evaluate a mineral resource estimate for this. Greater Wattle Dam area, we believe that we're sitting on a much larger mineralised gold system here, and to the 600 metres to the south, we have Redback inferred resource of 440,000 tonnes at 3 grams. Historical drill spacing across this area has been too broad, and as recently discovery at the start of this year, S5, there's further discoveries to be made in this area. The Redback deposit, as mentioned, 600 metres to the south of Wattle Dam Gold Project. We've had some really spectacular gold intersections at the start of this year, highlight being 16.3 metres at 9.3 grams and 5.8 metres at just under 18 grams per tonne. So spectacular high grade gold intersections. And we've been able now to trace this high grade chute from 40 metres down to 250 metres below surface, and it remains open at depth. Earlier in this year, the company was successful in the application for a WA co-funded drilling grant, and this is for 2 holes to test potential doubling the plunge depth of Redback. So we're planning to drill these holes later in the second half of this year. And also mentioned, we have a dual focus with nickel exploration. We have nearly 20 kilometres of potential strike, and there's a near contiguous belt of nickel deposits and mines that finishes on the doorstop of our tenements. Nickel exploration was not the focus for the previous ownership, and we have identified several high priority nickel targets which will be completing ground geophysics in the second half of this year. So a corporate snapshot, market cap of just under $10 million, and a highly experienced board. So why invest into Maximus? Location, tier 1 location, fantastic prospectivity and project access. We've got a strong foundation to build from, 112,000 ounces, and demonstrated high-grade discovery potential. We're a dual commodity strategy with gold and nickel, and several near-term growth strategies with resource estimates and gold and nickel exploration through the remainder half of 2021. So strong news flow. And we're an experienced board and successful mine builders. So thank you very much.